first nanny episode ni 9 kuri Ganza TV hamwe na Sakala the Premier kuri Decoder za Star Times GM Entertainment Group nabateguye the first nanny episode ya 9 the Premier for real Sankara the one and only the first nanny. Sasa hakuno
for you.
Very byana kuhaye ngibi.
Too much. I can't take them all.
Mama minago na byana byose.
Look great and all of that.
Melody ni byiza byakubere na witoma nabikuguriye.
Ma'am.
Mama.
Too generous.
Mana kuchirugira umutima mwiza bigezaho.
That I've met a rich yet kind person.
Ati nubwa mbere mbonye umuntu umukire ugira umutima mwiza.
I'm sure that people will be more people that are willing to help you.
Ati erega.
I am so glad that we became friends.
Ati nje birananeje kuba mbonye umwana mwiza nkawe kandi ugira umutima muzima.
Why is that?
Very chibundo because
to fly to California after the inauguration of PGA.
Ati nyuma yo kurahira kwa president nzajya muri California. Uzajya kubagwa umutima.
For vacation.
Uzajya muri vacances cyangwa.
Rich people can always go on vacation when they want to.
Abantu bakiri rwose mujya mu vacances mbishaka.
I'll have an operation.
Nzaba ngiye kubagwa.
Operation?
Operation kubagwa.
I have a heart condition.
Ati mfite ubwayi bw'umutima.
Was an expert on my condition.
Derevzo nawe ni muri conditions nziza.
You don't look quite sick.
None urarwaye bimaze kugezaho.
Guess it's not obvious to me.
Ntabwo byari bikwiye kuri njyewe.
You're so beautiful.
Umugore mwiza ntabwo wari ukwiye kurwara. Mugenzi nagatesi.
Choice but to look and be strong. I have to. And don't worry, just a minor disease.
Ariko ntacyo binatwaye.
Better. Yes?
Ugomba nawe gusa neza.
You'll get better. And I'll
Ariko uzamera neza nabyizeye.
success.
Nzagusengera.
Thank you, Melody.
Melody urakoze kandi.
Well,
Mugenzi nakana keza. Kabwi mudamu ati ubwa mbere njye mbonye umuntu w'umukire ucisha make nkawe.
did you know that I never experienced having a debut because I had to make money to support my family all
Ati ntabwo nigeze ngira amahirwe yo kuba nagenda amahanga cyangwa se ngo mena kubwe bihambaye.
to where
Ntabwo nagomba guhara amafaranga yatunga umuryango wanjye. Nije bita kuri mama kuri barumuna banje.
I want to thank you more than anything.
Ati ndashaka ngushimire birenze uko bikeka.
You have never ever made me feel that I'm beneath you.
Ati rwose niwe muntu wa mbere utumye numva ko nari umuntu w'agaciro. Abandi bose ni ukudusuzugura ni ukudutuka. Harimo n'uyu Monica umukozi w'uyu mudamu Helena. Niwe muntu wa mbere utumye numva ko nanjye ndi umuntu bwari mwe. Unakuriye neza kuriye. Ngaburi karatanye.
Okay. Hi, Sir Noel.
Bose barakanaje nyambara ya ikoro kaceye.
Hi to me.
Turakwana kumenyera umutima wawe ugirana. Wese wabera utari n'ubwiza bw'umutima bwaranze kubera.
Oh, wait a sec. Well, just let me give some of the gifts to you.
Ariko basi impano zimwe kanzibahe. Mugenzi katitaye ku giciro cy'imyenda karabahereza kuri uyu kabwira naye buri munsi.
Thank you so much.
Urakoze rata.
So let me see. Oh.
Kandi imyenda irimo.
Wow. What's this? Melody.
Nigize mamero ko mana kimeze nk'itaburiya.
Is this a comforter?
Kina uninde wacyambarara?
It's too big.
Kinini cyane.
Oh, why is this so big? Wait, it's wrong. That's not it.
Mereza kuno mwereke.
It's like a coat.
Uyu nimba ari munini.
This is for
Uhereza shambrayeri. Shambrayeri no mani niwe munini cyane.
It's so pretty.
No fata kano gatoya.
And this is yours. It's yours.
Nabandi namwe ntabwo nibo bari abonyine.
So
Nawakira.
Thank you.
Wow, man urakoze.
You look pretty on it. Very good.
Ndi henze cyane.
You become so kind. What? Seriously? You know I always defend our social climber friends that do not say thank you.
Atabwo munashaka yamagana n'imyenda bakumva ko afite n'ibindi byakora ku ruhande.
Thank you.
Ariko urakoze da urakoze cyane.
Oh, wait a sec. I'm gonna give you something too, Melody.
Baretse gato Melody nanjye arakana nayo ngufitiye.
It's from yes.
Akira hakuno.
What is it?
Ni nyakubahwa perezida wiguhaye.
We're being invited at the
Bakwemvise nguze kujya mu irahira rya perezida.
household staff.
Kandi urajya mu VIP. Biranejeje. Perezida aragaye invitation kujya mu VIP.
Wait.
Uno murebe ko Imana ikora ibyayo umuntu agatangira kuzamuka mu magrade.
I need to take my, beauty rest.
Noneho ndimo ndibaza ukuntu umuntu abagenda noneho yikaraga yambaye.
Do you have time?
Ariko se wowe ufite umwanya wawe umuntu wakwitaho kureba.
Okay. Good night. Bye.
Icyo rero nyamusha wari bagishihura.
What are you?
Ngenzi kishimiye invitation bagahaye.
If President Glenn's assassin didn't fail, you could be the one delivering the inaugural speech, Uncle.
Atariko uncle nubwo rwose tuvuze ko utaje twamuswase kumwica perezida.
Don't panic.
Iyi speech yavuze no akabaye murayivuga wipanika.
But we're getting there.
Atahubwo turimo turajya mwanya wo kuba perezida neza tukitonze.
Most important lesson my father gave me when he
Ni bwatinze.
lead the people. told me before that I should love and care for the people I love and care for my family.
perezida yararahiye ariko arahira imbere y'itangazamakuru.
As you know, for over 17 years in the public services sector,
rwose gukorera abantu bose muri sector zose zitandukanye
that'll be the mark
nibyo yiyemeje.
administration. As the president of our nation,
rwose nka perezida w'igihugu cyacu.
I'll do my best.
Sorry.
buretse gato nibagiwe.
Take care of you like you're my family.
ati nzita ku bene gihugu
I'm
nk'ari umuryango wanjye.
It will be a great president for us.
ati hamwe na perezida papa azaba perezida wacu mwiza.
You've already heard that speech earlier.
ntabwo nawe iyo speech wayumvise kuva kare.
Love it?
ntabwo wayirambiwe.
Nina,
Nina,
you are so proud of your father even
ndabizi ko nawe wishimiye so umwanya ariho, kandi impamvu umurakarira nuko ataguha umwanya uhagije.
Cannot do this completely on my own.
bombe bano ko bareba irahira rya perezida.
That is why it's an honor for me,
PGA
chosen Vice President of the Philippines.
rwose nishimiye kuba ndi perezida wa Philippines.
Welcome House Speaker Luis Prado.
ati na visi perezida wanjye Luis Prado. tumwe masha
Mr. Vice.
nyakubahwa vice president. ni iminsi mike,
Not for long.
ntabwo igihe kiri butinde, not for long.
You will be addressing me as the new president of Philippines.
vuba aha ngaha uzaba urimo uraserebura ko ari jye perezida mushya wa Philippines. bashatse kumwica biranga, ariko uyu mugabo akomeza kumwubakamo icyizere, birangira ariwe yagize visi perezida. abagabo baba bateguye. bwatinze haraza kuba kwiyakira nyuma y'iki yuko perezida arahiye. after party reba aho yavugiye ijambo. Acosta Glenn. mwanya ugizeho ni akazi k'abantu yizera. hey, urugero tendera abantu wizera mu kazi ako ariko kose. mavayo. ni mwana wanjye. niki?
I'm not used to parties anymore.
ntabwo nyikunda ibintu by'ibirori.
Relax, son.
mwana wanjye tuza.
It's all the guests will be here.
ati abashyitsi baragera mu kanya, nta mpamvu yo kuba urakaye.
The Prime Minister of Canada and the Chancellor of Germany are on their way.
ati chancellor wa Germany arabageze mu kanya.
See that?
n'abana minisitiri baturutse mu bihugu bitandukanye.
Really belong here. Imagine, leaders of different countries.
ibaze n'abayobozi bari buve mu bihugu bitandukanye, nubwo hanze kurahira imbere yabo, ariko wenda muri kumwe hano mu kanya.
My guest
gerageza useke.
arrived at the venue.
ese abashyitsi banjye natumiye ku ruhande bahageze?
Please.
baragera mu kanya.
Who are you
bahamagare.
to? Are we not expecting heads of state?
ese ntabwo agiye kuza bene gihugu? kumbe n'abakozi bo mu rugo nabo yabatumiye.
Why did you let them in, Glenn?
ariko Glenn ufite icyo kibazo mwana wanjye, gute utumira abantu kajyasi zose zikaza hano mu birori?
Sing over there.
bazanye n'umuturage bararangara mwambere bageze hano nk'aha.
You are an embarrassment.
mumwe muri gisebo ku bantu, gute muza hano nk'aha?
Relax, okay?
mama watuje ko aribyo babimvise.
Be here without their help.
aba ni abantu b'agaciro mu buzima bwacu, n'ibyo turya n'ababitugaburira. gerageza ububahe. mukecuru acaho, nta mukozi aba yumva agomba no kubahwa.
Sir,
muzano nyakubahwa,
forgive us too.
tubabarire niba twaje nabi.
Do whatever you want.
hano mwisanzure mukora ibyo mushaka igihe wabimvise. dukora kuri red carpet.
Hey, sir, where's the food? We're quite hungry.
boss, ibyo kurya biri hehe?
Okay? Don't let go of them, please.
musore bayobore aho bakuri babone icyo kurya n'icyo kunywa. ugeze ni perezida w'umwana mwiza, nta kibazo cye. bwatinze babanza kuza kwitamo.
What happened?
no mani we ni samuterera shambura yera zana n'igiporezo.
Hey, why are you feeling down? I was just thinking that the party that we would go to would have better food. Like kare-kare or sinigang. Okay? What exactly are these things?
You're really embarrassing.
hano rwose abibereye muri Prague amasaha yose ni uguserezanya.
Together, we should learn how to be with classy people. Just
ati rwose mujye mweza mwifate nk'abantu bari klasi.
the
ibintu byo kurya agaguzwa ahantu mahaha, ugomba kunywa agashampanye, nta bintu byo kunywa ibifanta.
get used to it.
hata cecuru niwe musirimu bafitemo.
It's nice.
Hey,
reba nawe umusirimu umurya wa champagne ntabwo tomera.
it's drinking like it's juice.
ni ibi ngibi.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
mwakoze kwa mwaje
Thank you.
kira abandi bakitsi bagiye batandukanye
Yes,
muri department zigiye zitandukanye
sir.
hamagaye Conrad.
Conrad, how are my guests doing?
Great. Papita and the others are eating.
abandi bose barimo bararya abandi bose bahageze
Thank you.
murakoze ikindi
Sir,
nyakubahwa
I know what you're thinking.
ndabizi ibyo urimo uratekereza
Are you looking for someone?
hari umuntu waba urimo urashaka wabuze
Fine.
ntacyo yabuze ninde se
You're looking for someone, but you don't.
hari umuntu urimo urashaka ariko
You can see Norma's here.
Masi arahari Nomana arahari
Here.
abakozi bose barahari
Anyone else?
hari undi wa gatanu narimo ndibuka uwo ariwe ariko ntaraza arimo aravuga Melody.
Fine, okay. Conrad, do me a favor. Please find out where Melody
okay basi ndashaka umfashe ugere mushakire Melody sibyo
and enjoy the party.
kandi namwe nizere ko muri buryoherwe n'ikirori sibyo
Yes, sir.
ntacyo nyakubahwa murakoze sasa hakuno
Of course.
icyo kurya hatari
You should get used to this.
sasa za hakuno
Ladies,
madam
Hi.
how are all of you?
bite bimeze bite
The truth is, we didn't really
She's a...
ibi byo kurya se wariye gake
enjoy this party. Yeah.
ibirori twabyishimiye urumva turaza kugacinya wajya bari mu nzagwa
Where's Melody?
Melody yabariye
I thought he was asking if we have great fun at the party.
nzi kuri tubaza ku kirori kimeze ko muje kutubaza Melody
I'm sure that Melody must be busy now. She's fixed
wasanga Melody yari busy hari ibindi arimo
because she needs to fix a lot of things.
kuko aba afite byinshi agomba gutunganya
Is to wear some simple makeup.
wasanga arimo aritera makeup aribyo byamutindije kumbe bagiye kureba Melody yaje yambaye neza ati burya nawe udaca nta n'utasa neza yewe reba reba ukuntu yaje yambaye se yaragiye mugenzi aracya ariko mugenzi twakutamenyera ibintu inkweto rwose ziracyamuvuna ibintu by'amakanzu biramujena mugenzi ni agakobwa keza ariko mugenzi yirerera abana yanze kugaya akazi ako ariko kose kandi karamuhemba by the way
You look absolutely stunning.
wow man urasa neza
I'm sure that
sasa hakuno
since
abakontre 6 nabo baturutse hariya n'imigengo yabo
Ernie,
uye amenye iminsi yose Roland ukimurika imbere ya perezida
view on PGA tonight. Let's just enjoy the party.
reka turyoherwe n'ikirori nubwo rwose natane mfashe ukuboko nk'umuntu bazabana reka turyoherwe n'ibirori mukontre 6
Don't fake smiles. You couldn't look more plastic.
kose ukuntu umusekera abantu nk'abo bucyako binanejeje yahora n'imishiha ye
So gorgeous.
bana Melody wambaye neza yesu we
So good on the...
abantu bose baracaho bamurangarira
Maybe because of
Conrad yaramubonye abona n'icyuki bajyaga bakabona kari mu bitaburiya mu rugo kambaye ibyenda bigoswe bakabona n'injurugutu
also in the party.
ariko wa mukozi wanyu kubona nawe yaje mu kirori
maid is here again.
Melody nawe arongera aragarutse aje kubangama
Rapid food. Something.
uyobora muri kompetisiyo n'umuntu atajya badahora muri kompetisiyo zimwe
Those are with the rich people.
araza aririra nta byo gukaraba intoki ntaki
Got it? She wants Glenn to notice her.
arashaka rwose kugira ngo Glenn nawe amurebe agaragare
Working. We are the rich...
ukuntu yaje yambaye
Yummy.
umusore yaramurebye kuko nurademuhezaho amaso
Ma'am, I think she's very pretty.
ariko ndabona asa neza tutabeshye yarabere uriya mukobwa
She's not that pretty. She's
rwose pe araberewe tutabeshye
to you.
wenda ugereranyije nawe wambaye neza ariko araberewe
Make it too obvious that you're starving.
kumbe Norman yarebye uburyo Conrad areba umukobwa
Stay too long at her because Melody might melt. You stared at her.
murebe rwose witonze nawe amenye ko wamurebye
Melody, good evening.
madamu rwose umugoroba mwiza
Sir.
urakoze nyakubahwa
Back to PGA.
twajya hari abayobozi
Bye, sir.
Bye. See you.
See?
reka nawe mesuye mu bayobozi ndababwira mu kanya
Someone is already admiring you, but you didn't notice him. Maybe your heart goes out for someone else.
umusore rwose arimo arakureba ariko usanga hatari umwitayeho umutima hari ahandi
Where's the CR?
ko ntacyo bikabwiye ni ugutamira akaririra
My gosh.
basense gusa
Ruined again.
ntubyanyangirije umunsi
Paige, do something.
umva gira icyo ukora rwose muraburize
Attend this party.
icyo kirori ntakigumemo perezida aze kugera hano yasohotse.
Don't you worry, ma'am.
mama ntugire ikibazo reka ndaje turamusohora mu kirori. yohereza indi shinzi batanu wayini yambaye imyeru nawe araza yimusukaho ku bwende yigira ngo ari impanuka bimutunguye. yesu Melody mabare rwose maruku kuri
You were not even looking right.
ase kucyemo cye mugenzi wacu avayo.
A mess, Melody. I don't think that you can attend the party looking like
rwose Melody ntabwo numva ko waza mu munsi mukuru usa gutyo.
changed. Actually, no need.
oya nta mpamvu njyewe guhindura nta mpamvu yo guhindura.
I was invited to this party by President Glenn.
nemviswe kuri kirori na perezida mwenyewe Glenn.
Think about it, Melody.
Melody ibitekereza
Be press that will cover this event.
ati umura abantu turaza kwaba kandi turaza kwemeza perezida ariko taha
Divert their attention.
harya bashaka gufata attention ya perezida.
The focus should be on Glenn.
ushaka Glenn afokasinge kuri wowe
Here to support Sir Glenn.
ariko sinyaraje gushyigikira Glenn nka boss wanjye.
Cause I'll let him know that you support him.
rero utaha imuhe ujya gutekera abana n'umuntu azabimenya kuri mama mushyigikira no kuburi hafi y'abana mena bwo n'ubundi buryo bwo kumushyigikira.
Don't do anything to ruin this party.
ntabwo wakora icyo ushoboka cyose kugira ngo wangize kino kirori.
You embarrass us.
uradusebeje nta kindi ukoze uraza usa nabi karababaye yari yamariye mugenzi akanzu ke gashyashya muri ifu si ikintu bagabo bazarikora. kaje hano karira n'agahinda komana uko nzira iki kiraho wa mudamu Helena
Melody?
arimo aramubwira Melody.
Ma'am, Helena.
mama Helena
To you.
n'icyo urasute
Nothing, ma'am.
ntacyo mama.
No, Melody. What?
Melody komana mara maso niki
You here, Congressman?
Same here.
You're really happy.
sasa hano baje mu birori bose baturutse imihanda itandukanye imihanda yose.
Yes, yes, thank you. Congratulations.
ya murakoze
Much.
nawe wakoze kurahira rwose. kumbe aracyakebaguzwa rero ko yabona Melody.
Who are you looking for?
No,
umwana nyuma ashaka nawe mama nawe
Seem distracted.
no, no, no.
komana sa udatuje oya ntacyo.
The thing is,
icyabaye ni
one of the guests, well,
umwe mu bashyitsi
at the party,
mu kirori cya perezida
my dress.
yaje anyangiriza ikanzu
That's why I'm not going there.
niyo mpamvu nari bujye mu birori.
Go there.
ntabwo uri bujye mu birori
Now instead have plenty of time to go to the party.
ariko igihe kiracyari ntabwo igihe kirarenga umwanya uracyari w'ikirori kiratangira mu masaha ari imbere.
I don't think this is the right time to go there.
ndakeka atari cyo gihe ngo njye mu birori by'abakire.
At the party at this point.
ntabwo ndagera ku rwego rwo kujya mu birori by'abantu b'abayobozi.
We'll be there, and I don't want to grab their attention.
ati ntabwo nshaka kujya mbangamira abandi
I really don't,
kandi ari perezida wabemvise.
because this is an important occasion for Sir Glenn.
madamu ndakeka atari cyo gihe cyanjye. Glenn nawe kandi araza kunyanganira ndabizi.
I have other clothes for the occasion, and this.
wenda kereka mbonye n'imyenda nakwambara nkajya mu munsi mukuru.
Melody.
Melody
Do not worry.
ntugire ikibazo
Take care of it.
ibyo ndaza kubyitaho.
We'll go.
madamu afite butiki y'imyenda ugende nkwereke n'ubundi aracyabura amasaha abiri ngo ibirori bitangire arakajyana niba agiye guhahira guhereza indi myenda. hakuno
Well, long time. It is good.
igihe kirekire
Seen each other for a long time.
Oh, right.
How about your wife?
jagana n'abandi bayobozi
Actually,
baturutse mu bice bitandukanye.
oh, there she is.
I'm
nguriya
saying. I was just helping my friend. Good evening.
inshuti yanjye anindije
And of course, congratulations on your
kandi rwose nyakubahwa Glenn felicitation rwose
event.
bakoze kuba warahiye rwose ni byiza cyane.
Oh, by the way, I heard you help a friend.
Yes,
Was that an emergency? And how's everything? Is she okay?
she's definitely all right.
ati se ko hari umwana nabuze mwari mwajyanye
Now,
ariko arahari anameze neza. kumbe dore Melody Raise uwo bitaga umukozi wo mu rugo ngo bari basubije mu rugo. perezida nafite crash muri iyi minsi yabaye umuntu mushya yaje yambaye yakeye. dore perezida ngarakubitwe n'inkuba yajyaga amubona buriya ngo ntawe utasa neza nta n'utacya biterwa n'aho wambarira. hey umukobwa yaje iwana izuba ko mu museso aye neza mukobwa wanjye bamukizo n'akaripusitiki n'akamekapu kakoze Conrad kureba perezida arimo aramureba muri 3D ntabwo ari kumureba ngo amumare yewe data we dore bwa bwiza budashirira n'inuza urumva kize mu kirori arasa neza gasatsi bagasokoje wabitaga ngo ni umukozi wo mu rugo bamumenyeho ibi wayini
Miss Norma,
nawazi icyiciro cyo isangira abakozi bagenzi be
Is there anything I can do for you, ma'am?
mabuja tubafashe iki
ma'am? No,
mabuja njyewe
look!
ndeba ni Melody
Dave?
Melody
Yeah!
Oh,
ni njyewe
goodness.
Chemo Meg kazu ya this data we
My.
bagenzi barambonye banahita bamumenya
Melody, like in a parachute.
bana baroro bajya baraguporishinga baragukesha
To do something so that
nakubwiye kugira icyo ukora nta kintu wakoze reba ukuntu yambaye neza
did something.
wambwiye kugira icyo nkora
Don't the wine on her? She's.
yambaye ikanzu y'umweru nyuma nawe wayini none
Did she get that dress?
yakanzu ayikuye ihenze kuriya
We're together. Shut up now.
ceceka tetwa
Answering you, ma'am.
We're so.
ntacyo mabuja
Shut up.
ceceka tetwa
Oh, Ma.
mama perezida aradidimanga
Excuse me, I have to go some.
bayobozi hari umuntu ngiye kureba
Seen her.
oya wisiga abandi bayobozi
So,
narabizwe ngiye kureba kanaga
Oh, it's okay.
mama nta kibazo n'afite abantu agiye kureba ni perezida ntabamubuza uyaranigingwa
Excuse me.
yihanganira kureba nabi ni umukozi wo mu rugo ariko kuba ari umukozi wo mu rugo
congrats.
ntibikura agasura keza imana yamuhaye n'agatashye
You're more beautiful than me.
mwana urasa neza kuturusha
Oh, ma'am.
perezida abantu baramusuhuza kumva amaso ari ahandi
Mr. President.
nyakubahwa perezida
President.
felicitasiyo
Well,
felicitasiyo
we have let
bamubwira perezida ibitekerezo biri ahandi
know that we'll be moving forward.
yamuzanye avuga ngo atuma abana be bishima bamurerera abana neza ngo kuva umugore we yapfa umuntu bwa mbere yabonye umuntu usetsa abana be none perezida umutima waragiye wose
Jello?
Jello. Jello. That must be.
umugenzi ukareba neza
Many plans,
Ah,
and he'll probably talk about it later.
ko bavugisuhuza perezida ibitekerezo biri ahandi
Done.
na mbere nako bamubwira nawe buriya niyo umuntu akeye aba abizi niyo usa neza nawe ubwawe ubizi buriya ngo iyo urenze ubureze niyo utakandagira urabyumva urakandagira ubutaka bugatigita bwana iki kiramwitambika
Meat.
nyirimo ishihaye
Wearing lipstick. It's called lip gloss. Miss.
ikajyase
Excuse me. I'll just go to the CR.
yewe kamanza nyanze gatoya ndaje nyiri umutima mubi abona perezida arimo arakebaguza arenze umutwe hejuru inyuma
Can you tell us more about it?
iriya nshinzi nigiye kuntwara umugabo sawa rero harigenge
Cold. Maybe.
bene bamwahembitse by'abasirimu hano harakonje kaza kwirira ibitumbuwa wayini karayinywa nkanywa amazi
It was so bitter. Not good.
hano hari undi muyobozi minisitiri yabonye umwana
Oh, miss.
arite mabuja
If you'd like to dance with me.
niba araciye gutwiyaboza tukabyirana kareba ku ruhande
Dance?
njyewe nijye ubwira njye tubyirane
No, for an answer. You're.
oya ntumakanire nyine
Come on.
waza tukabyinana
No.
oya
No.
yanze icyiciro cyanjye wi
Hello, mister.
minisita muri aho
I see you've met the maid of the.
ndabona rwose uri kumwe n'umukozi w'iwacu rugwesa amadongo
Talking about? She doesn't
uravuga ibikiza
look like a maid to me.
ntabwo yambaye nk'umukozi wo mu rugo ndabona anaceye da
Personally.
uyu se
Well, she's a household help
rwose niwe urera abana ba perezida
of her master's.
wajya umenya abayobozi bawe wamubwiye ko ucuguza
This dress, okay, ma'am? Ma'am Helena lent this to me.
erega aya makanzu nayahawe
You're really just a maid?
uri umukozi wo mu rugo se kuko byanyabyo
I'm not a maid. I'm
ntabwo ndi umukozi wo mu rugo
okay. And
ndi umuntu urera abana
a job is just an honorable job.
kandi ni akazi kubahirwa kuba ndera abana b'umuntu bakanamera neza
Sorry, miss. You're very pretty, but I don't
mada uri mwiza pe
someone like.
ariko icyiciro cy'ubudehe urimo uri hasi cyane uraciriritse
You okay?
ntabwo niba usaba ngo tubyarane ntabwo ari bigusabye
Ma'am,
ariko mada
why is that you have to embarrass me?
ubundi kuki udupfa ikinyenda nawe kuki ubungendaho
Why are you mad? You should thank me for doing that.
ahubwo wakabaye ushimiye kuba nk'unuma umenya kategori y'abantu ugomba kugendana nabo.
You know why?
Uzi impamvu?
I want you to have this illusion that you can fit in.
Biba byiza iyo umuntu yirebye muri miruwari akamenya uwo ari we, ubutaha akajya amenya abantu aciringa nabo.
From embarrassment.
Ntabwo ari ukugusebya, ntabwo ari uguharabika. Ni ukuri kugaragarira amaso ya buri wese uzi ukuri. Ntabwo njye nawe n'abandi bose ntabwo turi mu cyiciro kimwe. Ujya mu bari bwa mukubite aho kajya hasi zose zihurira. Ashyira ubuke kurya. Andurura. Maid. Nani abarera abana maid rwesa. Nibyo ashaka soke mu kirori.
Tell me the truth, ma'am.
Mama mbwiza ukuri.
You're an addict. A while ago you were so furious, and now your smile reaches you.
Ayoko se byagenze bite ko?
Ma'am,
Mama.
stop it. It's dangerous.
Byaba ari ukuri cyangwa?
Really? Addict?
Hasi wewe urabaza ibiki?
You know,
Urazi.
I'm so happy and finally relaxed.
Ngo rwose numva nishimye nyuma na nyuma natuje.
Gone.
Ntumya soka mu kirori.
Be sure.
Urashaka atari bugaruke se?
What are you saying?
Aho waravuga iki?
Because earlier she was wearing white, and then
Bwa mbere yari yambaye umweru urumva?
later
Mena wine agaruka
she wore a blue gown.
aza yambaye blue gown.
She's back wearing a more beautiful outfit.
Ariko yari yambaye kanzu rwose yari mwiza pe. Kuvuga ko ari mwiza ibyo babaza uyu nguyu. Ntabwo nawe ujya ufungura urunwa rwawe.
Always failing.
Ceceshe gusa.
Be crying hard. Somewhere else.
Ato ujya biri kose ntabwo yari mu bana ari ahandi ha wenyine.
Think about her.
Ntabwo natubona perezida amutekereza.
Finally,
Nyuma na nyuma rero
I have PJ to myself.
ndashaka niyegurire perezida
Glenn.
Glenn ane mu mago.
What are you looking for?
Hasi urashaka iki?
Said that you will have PGA for yourself.
Uri kumva perezida ushaka kwegukana?
That is, he's not here.
Ariko nta n'uri hano da?
Here.
Perezida nta n'uhari arakata ajya kumushaka. Nsanga aho melody yagiye ariho perezida ashobora kuba ari. Jensi kakaranga kaje kababaye. Beto nabyo biramvuna kabivanamo.
Yes.
Yego.
Hi, Grandma.
Bana ba perezida nabo bavayo baze baramusese.
Come.
Dad.
Come.
Congrats.
Hello, Nina. Nina.
Suhuza abana be.
Nina.
Nina.
Dad!
Nicole.
Dabby here. Ma, now I'll go. I need to talk to someone important.
Mama mwese mushatse wajyana n'abana hari umuntu ngeze ushaka kutuvugana.
Okay.
I'll come back soon. I'll go
Ndagaruka mu kanya.
Where are you going?
Ugiye hese?
talk to someone important.
Hari umuntu ngeze ushaka kuvugisha.
You.
Oh, no.
Wose yaba ari ndese?
You just stay with Mama.
Gumana na mama n'abana.
Okay, Mama.
Mama turi kumwe sabo murakoze.
I like your necklace, Grandma.
I only wear this.
Yego kungunda chanete yawe. Irakubereye rwose.
They came a long way to see you.
Hello, guys.
Great.
Abana bageze hano.
Conrad.
Conrad.
Haven't find Melody.
Yes, sir. I knew it.
Mva mushake melody. Kombe munyenzi kaje kwicarira hakuno. Munyenzi melody yanga ibintu by'intambara. Yanga ibintu byo guterana amagambo. Nakagurye ko Imana akiyorera mu mahoro. Keza buriya ni ukumenya icyiciro urimo ukamenya no kugenda. Kiratangira kwibuka se. Tangira kubona se ahari.
Child,
Mwana wanje.
why do you let yourself be affected with what Lorraine said?
Ase kuki utuma ubabazwa n'abantu batakwifuriza ibyiza.
Belittles your work.
Mwana wanje jye njye cyakuze ko ari akazi.
Person.
Ntukabyegereza umutima.
She is really impossible.
Uriya mugore ntashobotse.
I have no idea
Sinzi nicyo dupfa.
what it was that I did wrong that made her
Mbona nibaza icyo nakoreye uriya mugore gituma nyanga bigeze hano.
I told you.
Mwana wanje nakubwiye.
People who take pleasure from doing that.
Hari abantu bashimishwa no gukora ibibi.
feel good when stepping on other people.
None se akanezwa no gukandamiza abantu no kubakandagira ku mitwe.
That should be pitied because
Akaryo binezeza umutima we.
they do not know how to be truly happy.
Ati nagaruka abantu bashaka ibyishimo.
And they judge people without even knowing them.
barangiza akaza ducira imanza ngo turakennye ngo tuva mu miryango ikennye.
See?
Urabona?
Real kind-hearted.
bwatinze hari abakozi bose bo kwa perezida abarenzi ba perezida
See.
babwe gushaka Melody.
We are here at the left wing.
turimo turaca muri left wing n'abandi baca ahandi.
You know what, Dad?
urazi papa,
I wanted to confront Ma'am Lorraine so bad.
turumva ngashaka guhangana na Lorraine birenze,
If only I did not feel bad for Sir Glenn.
ariko njye numvaga nafite nta mutima mwifitiye perezida Glenn.
Before long, that Lorraine will get really tired of humiliating you.
erega vuba bidatinze uriya mudamu nawe kugufata n'abazagira birambirwa ubone ko arimo arakora ubusa.
So,
abajya ukomeza bitwaririza umwere ko nta kibazo ufite.
go inside.
njye kajyamo indani nagiye mu birori.
Where are you going?
nese urimo uragiye?
To the party.
ngiye mu kirori. ntabwo ureba ukuntu nambaye.
Fit.
naje nambaye ikirori nk'abandi bose, nambaye outfit y'ibirori nyine.
A lovely dress.
wambaye ikanzu y'igikundiro.
Lovely?
y'igikundiro.
Smile.
ngaho mwenyura.
Now you're lovelier than the dress.
ubu rero nibwo ubaye w'igikundiro kurusha n'ikanzu wambaye. ujye umwenyura nibyo bya mbere. gerageza gutya akimajina ko arimo araganira na se atanahari.
Melody.
Melody,
Sir?
nyakubahwa, bose babonye agakobwa bapofotse. arebye gutya.
What are you doing?
urakora ibiki?
I thought PGA is here.
nari ko perezida ari hano.
He might see me.
ashaka kumbona.
Where were you?
wari uriye se?
I went out for some air.
nari nagiye hanze gufata akayaga.
He is worried about you.
perezida yari yangayitse kubera wowe.
Really?
Serious?
PGA?
ah
Didn't even follow me.
Melody, he asked me to come over here
n'ubundi yambwiye ngo nze ngushake tugushaka ahantu hose
to know if you're okay.
tumenye niba umeze neza.
Are you okay?
umeze neza cyane?
I'm fine.
umeze neza nta kibazo.
Rosales,
Rosales,
come in, over. Please inform PGA that I've located Melody.
ndashaka mubwire perezida yuko nabonye aho Melody ari.
Oh,
uyu muri se bababwira
don't disturb other people. I don't want...
bibangamira abari mu birori byabo. perezida yibereye mu birori. we mubwira ko turi hakuno.
Back there.
I'm bothered.
erega mfite iby'impangayikisha.
Dress. I was told I was trying hard.
nambaye ikanzu ifasha cyane agatangira kumubeshya mugeze hari ukuntu benshi umuntu akakureba.
Who said that to you?
hasi ndabwiye ikanzu itakubereye.
Was someone mean to you?
hari umuntu mwegeranye se mwene wanyu ni iki?
Melody,
Melody,
you can tell me everything.
bibaye byiza wambwira ibintu bikubangamira sibyo?
I will listen to you.
njyewe ndanagutega amatwi nkakumva.
I'm your friend. You
ndi inshuti yawe, turakorana, twese dukorera umuntu umwe, twese turi abakozi muri uru rugo. gerageza unyisanzure tuganire.
I was humiliated at the party today.
ati umuntu yanesheje agaciro muri mu kirori.
Came and asked me to dance with him, but
mu minisitiri arasaba ko tubyinana, undi muntu aturuka inyuma
was a maid.
aza kuvuga ko ndi rwesa amadongo.
Was disgusted at me.
byambabaje.
You're really just a maid?
nta mukozi wo mu rugo.
You're very pretty, but
ari mwiza pe,
associated with...
ariko jyewe icyiciro cy'ubudehe urimo rwose ntabwo ngomba kuvugana n'abantu nk'amwe.
You left.
mutwe tugiye kubyinana baragiye gutyo.
I am a nanny.
ndera abana pe, ndabyemera.
And Ma'am Lorraine also said that it was my fault because I tried so hard to fit in.
ati ariko umugabo nawe yanyuriye ngo ati nagerageje gukoresha imbaraga nyinshi kugira ngo nakwisanisha n'abantu turi kumwe ariko ntabwo turi mu rwego rumwe. na Lorraine yaje kubigasubiramo. ati uko waca kose, uko wakwambara kose, uri umukene ntibikubuza kuba umukene.
But it's really not the case.
ariko icyo si cyo kibazo.
It's not true. I went
ntabwo ariko kuri.
because I wanted to be with Miss Norma.
njye numva nari naje mu kirori mbere bari kumwe n'abashuti banjye bose dukora akazi kamwe ba Nomani, dusangire dutahe.
You don't have to get hung up on what she said.
ariko ntagomba gutinda ku bintu umuntu yakubwiye.
Because Madame Lorraine doesn't...
iteka iyo umuntu akubwiye amagambo aguca intege, murebereke nyine ubica amazi, kuko aba yifuza gusigara ubabaye n'ubundi.
Because he missed the chance to have a dance with the most beautiful woman at the party, don't you?
ati n'ubundi perezida nawe yifuza ko yabyinana n'umuntu w'agaciro ku mu kirori,
Okay.
kandi nta wundi ni wowe.
Okay.
okay sawa ntacyo.
Let's go then.
ngaho reka tugende. oya
Is it okay if we just go back outside?
none se niba ntacyo bigutwaye waza twigira hanze tukajya kuba twicariye hanze
Okay.
ntacyo
But on one condition.
ariko kuri kondisiyo imwe
Can you just call me Conrad?
wamfasha ntuzongere kunyita nyakubahwa Conrad ukajya unyita Conrad gusa byo kunyita saa ukabikuraho
Conrad?
sawa Conrad nta kibazo bakozi hano bose basigaye bakiyumvamo nta mutima mubi karahisha bose kakabagaburira nta muntu batabana neza sasa perezida aje asanga ari urukweto
Sir,
nyakubahwa
sir, I know that part. I read about it in fairy.
urukweto ndaruzikira shanuka ruhasanga ari urwa wa mukobwa kiragutya tugende
Conrad, I am feeling a lot better because I was able to...
ati Conrad nanjye kumva merewe neza ko nanjye kwisanzura ku bantu nasanze muri uru rugo
But
gusa
I hope that you won't tell anyone about what happened to me and Ma'am Lorraine.
ariko nizere ko utari bubwire perezida ibyabaye hagati yanjye na Lorraine
Will not tell anyone.
nta muntu nabwira
Thank you.
urakoze karamuhobeye kumuhobera kamuhobera perezida nawe arimo arareba kamuhobera umwanya mugeze kamubwira ati nizere ko nta muntu uzabwira ibyambabaje muri uyu munsi mukuru perezida kubireba dore ngo arajiginywa bose buri umwe zikunda izindi ariko bose nta wakwerura
It seems that Melody is okay.
ndakeka ko Melody ameze neza
Conrad has it under control.
ndabona Conrad byose abifite muri kontrole perezida areba icyiciro arimo n'urwego arimo akabona atabwira Kajyaza unagukunda na Kajyaza akareba perezida akabigumana mu mutima ntabwo yabwira perezida yuko hari akarimo
Okay. Well, why will I not be okay?
biraza kumera neza
Alright, let's go.
sawa Conrad Marine niba ari bwo komeza akazi nibyo ntazi perezida yapofotse umwana byatangiye ari kwishimira ko afata abakozi be neza kumbe hafi aho nyiramatiku nyirashyano
Can't believe this.
kimwe kizira ka kize gucyazunguza ibiti
Look at that.
ibyo ni ikira kumbe atya nyiramatiku
What's that?
batambona
Be a monster.
yangana inyamaswa iri kuzunguza igiti
Is there really a monster?
yaba ari inyamaswa se aya masaha
Funny.
birasekeje pe
Sir. Oh, Conrad, thank you.
Conrad wakoze
Sleep early tonight because I have a lot of work tomorrow.
ugomba gutaha hakiri kare ejo ufite akazi kenshi
You again.
Okay.
saba nta kibazo rero urugendo rwiza Conrad akana kamuguyemo yumva
That you left it here.
hasa hari umukecuru
Place where we sat down.
urukweto rwawe narusize hano ndarubuze
You know it could happen.
Miss Kathy?
madamu Kathy
Miss
Good
Lewis?
evening.
bimeze biti muri abo bose
What are you doing?
murakora iki hano
Sir, I'm looking for my other sandal.
hari urukweto rwanjye rundi nataye hano
I remember
ndabyibuka neza nayo rufite hano
Pepita made a call.
umuntu yampamagaye bintunguye
So I left the other shoe here.
sigara umwe hano ngenda n'undi mu ntoki
Me. Hey,
cyagiye ka Melody kabacagaho
Melody?
Melody
What happened to the girl?
umukobwa yamugendekeye bitera
Who's that? Let me see.
ubone bwo bahamagaye uyu mukecuru
Pepita?
arahira
Wait. Oh, go there.
reka turaje nona
On the way. Don't worry.
turi mu nzira
Like you're not.
yafashe urukweto rumwe asiga urundi
Sir,
Ah.
I can't.
nyakubahwa
Handle.
Right. Like,
nyine rurasa n'uru nguru
You see?
yase
The sandal.
urukweto rw'uyu mukecuru murumuye cyasharutse ngo kizi nyirikirenge ngo kirenge umukobwa kirakizi
oh, sir, thank you.
nyakubahwa rwose murakoze pe murakoze imana bamugisha
Thank you. We should hurry back.
saba ntacyo ngo nimwigendere mugabo uvuga amagambo make sasa kano karagiye gakubita ubusingizi gakangutse abana pawa kadahari
Happy birthday, my girl.
joyeux anniversaire mwana wanje happy birthday
Thank you, Dad.
wakoze papa na anniversaire yako
And you're not affected with what happened last night?
turuva imeze bite kuri inshuro
About that. It's my birthday.
bana we na anniversaire yanjye biranejeje mbega byiza
I think you're very right. But wait, what are your plans for your birthday?
bana anniversaire afite izihe gahunda
Leave. I won't be working today.
uyu munsi ngomba kujya mu rugo nari natse n'uruhushya
Siblings.
ndajya kureba abavandimwe
You know,
urazi
I've been celebrating my birthdays alone abroad.
Atarajyaga rwose kuri gahunda z'umunsi nanjye anniversary yanjye iriho.
To go home?
Ngiye gutaha Yesu w'amaga. Katsura ubushya kare.
I just hope that you're all here.
Ariko nakifuje yo batugeze turi kumwe. Ariko papa ntabwo hari.
How sure are you?
Reka naje nkwereke.
Your party.
Ikirori cyawe ndaza kuba mari kandi biraza kugenda neza.
I might even dance at your party.
Ndaza no kubyina ku kirori cyawe kuri anniversary yawe.
Like that?
Gutyo ndakubyinira gutyo nyine. Twati dance twacu. Sasu yaje yababaye. Ari bari mu kuburyo Conrad yaraho agakobwa. Kumana. Yatanye ngo wishimira ko umugenzi umukobwa ashimisha abana be.
How is the most handsome president of the Philippines?
Atego songeye kuramukanya kwa perezida Philippine.
Let me update you with your schedule.
The melody told
Schedule uyu munsi.
last night.
Melody yaba yakubwiye icyambabaje ijoro ryashize.
Yes, sir.
Yewe nyakubahwa.
She fell out of place at the party.
Yatashye hakiri kare kubera ko yari afite akazi mu gitondo.
Got it.
Arashaka gutobora.
I noticed that you were gone for quite a long period.
Ndakeka mwamara igihe gihagije.
I simply let her talk. When she felt much better,
Ati rwose yamwe ngo ntitugaruke mu kirori tujya hanze ngo nubwo umererwe neza avuge.
sir, I didn't come back there sooner.
Ariko nawe ntabwo nahise ngaruka twagumanye hanze tuvugana.
Last night I gave you the order
Ijoro
to
ryashize naguhaye itegeko.
miss.
Ugende umubarize ikintu yabaye icyo ari cyo.
That close to Melody.
Umwegere umukuremo amakuru.
We're not that close.
Ntabwo uriya mukobwa tuziranye bigiye kure ariko.
Me and someone to talk to.
Ariko ashaka umuntu baganira.
Into her, so I joined her.
Ntagenda muganiriza nta kindi. Okay.
Alright, let's go. Like
Aba
I
ntacyo ngakomeza akazi kawe.
the orders.
Perezida yaraziko nimugoroba rwose umuntu yatashye undi bagatahana.
Yes, sir.
Ndase.
Question.
I don't know.
Ndakubaza iki se?
How about you, Conrad?
None ademeze bitarata.
Sir, sorry.
Yambabare nyakubahwa.
You didn't sleep well last night, right?
How did you know?
Sir, your eye bags are a little puffy.
Ukeneye kuruhuka bihagije manza waraye wicaye. Mu maso biragaragara.
Sir? No.
Tumonaniro.
Sir.
Melody!
No gitondo cya kare. Melody.
Melody, why aren't you in your uniform?
Melody kutaba uniform ni iki?
Well, sir, I asked your permission last week. I thought...
Nyakubahwa icyumweru gishize nakwatse uruhushya rwo kujya muri anniversary yanjye.
No.
Ntabwo byakunda.
You have to make sure that my children do not miss
Ngomba kumenya ko abana banjye banezerewe perezida atajya kujya avuga nabi utavugaga nabi. Nabyo bita gufuha.
right?
Icyakuzanye no kwita ku bana banjye.
On program.
Umenye program y'akazi kawe nta kindi.
This okay?
Bya anniversary yawe bizaza ubutaha.
Sir.
You have
Gusa
complaints?
ni ibyo ntabwo mbirenzaho.
Tell me.
Vuga ibyo ushaka kuvuga.
Good.
Yeza rero ujya mu kazi. Perezida yahindutse. Kantu ko gufuha iyo katangiye kuzamo. Kareka amaze icyumweru karamwatse uruhushya yarana ukemereye. None birangiye bya anniversary yabikansorinze. Ndakeka ari ukugenzeye. Twarebaga icyenda da Premier Sankara hamwe na Ganda TV kuri Star Times n'abakunda cyane cyane. Hasta la vista.